Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a pressing topic to discuss: menthol cigarettes. Have you ever wondered why tobacco companies use menthol in their products? And more importantly, why are menthol cigarettes considered so harmful? Well, stick around because we're about to delve into the secrets of the tobacco industry. So first things first, why do tobacco companies use menthol in cigarettes? The answer lies in its alluring and deceptive qualities. Menthol, a natural compound derived from mint, is added to cigarettes for a few key reasons. Cooling sensation. Menthol creates a cooling sensation in the throat and airways, making the smoke feel less harsh. This makes it easier for beginners to start smoking and keeps existing smokers coming back for more. Masking bitterness. The bitterness of tobacco can be off-putting, but menthol masks this taste, making smoking more palatable. Minty flavor. The minty flavor can be appealing to some, even though it's still masking the harmful effects of smoking. Now let's talk about the deceptive marketing of menthol cigarettes. Tobacco companies have been known to target minority communities with menthol cigarette advertising disproportionately. These companies exploit cultural preferences and create a sense of community around menthol products. For decades, the tobacco industry has specifically marketed menthol cigarettes to minority communities, often through sponsorship of cultural events and community engagement. Menthol cigarettes can lead to higher addiction rates due to their masking properties, and it becomes harder for people to quit smoking when they start with menthol. So, what makes menthol cigarettes so harmful? The dangers extend beyond the well-known risks associated with smoking. Increased addiction. The cooling and masking effect of menthol can lead to increased nicotine intake, making it more difficult for users to quit smoking. Health disparities. Due to targeted marketing, minority communities suffer disproportionately from smoking-related health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and respiratory diseases. Gateway to smoking. Menthol cigarettes are often considered a gateway to smoking for young people. The appealing flavors and sensory experiences make them more enticing to beginners. Difficult to quit. Menthol cigarettes have been found to be more addictive and harder to quit than regular cigarettes, partly due to the minty flavor and perceived mildness. In conclusion, menthol cigarettes exist because they make smoking more attractive, especially to new and younger smokers. However, they come with a host of dangers, not only in terms of the health risks associated with smoking, but also due to their targeted marketing towards minority communities. It's essential to be aware of these issues and support efforts to reduce the accessibility and appeal of menthol cigarettes, all while encouraging individuals to quit smoking and lead healthier lives. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful or informative, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.